If you're new to bonsai, walking into a tool shop or scrolling online can be overwhelming. There are dozens of fancy tools that look like surgical instruments. But here's the truth. You don't need to spend hundreds of dollars to start. Today, I'm going to show you the 3 essential tools you actually need to keep your tree healthy and styled. First on the list, and the tool you'll use 90% of the time, is a good pair of concave cutters. These are not regular scissors. Look at the shape of the head, it's rounded. This design allows you to cut a branch flush with the trunk, leaving a small hollow. Why is that hollow important? If you use flat scissors, you leave a stub. That stub dies back and leaves an ugly scar. But with a concave cutter, the tree heals over that hollow much faster, rolling bark over the wound. It's like the tree swallows the cut. You don't need the most expensive brand when you're starting out. A mid-range carbon steel pair will hold a sharp edge and last you for years. Just make sure to keep them dry and clean after each use to prevent rust. Tool number 2 is often overlooked by beginners, but it's crucial for the health of your tree: knob cutters. They look similar to concave cutters, but they're usually smaller and have a spherical or ball-shaped jaw. You use these for one specific job: removing the nubs left behind after you've made a big cut, or for carving out deadwood. Think of them as the detail-oriented surgeon to the concave cutter's general practitioner. They get into tight spots. The third tool is your everyday workhorse, a simple pair of long-handled shears or scissors. You'll use these for trimming leaves, cutting thin twigs, and cleaning up roots during repotting. Don't use your kitchen scissors. These are sharper and thinner. A specific type I recommend is the Satsuki or Magnolia shears. They have a wide body but thin tips, giving you leverage for tougher cuts but precision for delicate foliage. This is the tool that bridges the gap between power and detail. Now, what about wire? That's the 4th essential. You need wire to shape your tree. Aluminum wire is best for beginners because it's softer and easier to wrap around branches without damaging them. Copper is stronger, but harder to work with. Start with 2 sizes, a thinner one, like 1.5 millimeters or 2 millimeters, for small branches, and a thicker one, like 3 millimeters or 4 millimeters, for the main trunk and heavier branches. You don't need a whole set of 10 sizes on day 1. But if you're going to use wire, you need tool number 4, wire cutters. And not just any wire cutters. You need recessed head wire cutters. See how the head is angled? That lets you cut the wire flush against the branch without poking the bark. If you use normal pliers, you'll leave a sharp end that stabs you every time you move the tree, and more importantly, it will cut into the growing bark as the branch thickens, leaving permanent scars. So, to recap, buy a quality pair of concave cutters, a pair of knob cutters, long shears, and recessed wire cutters. Add a roll of aluminum wire in 2 sizes, and you are fully equipped to style almost any tree. Avoid the temptation to buy those cheap, all-in-one kits that come with 30 plastic-handled tools. The metal is usually soft and won't hold an edge, which actually damages your tree by crushing the fibers instead of cutting cleanly. Think of your tools as an investment in your tree's health. Sharp, clean tools make sharp, clean cuts. And clean cuts heal fast. Fast healing means a healthier, more beautiful bonsai. Start with these 4 essentials, master them, and your trees will thank you. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more weekly bonsai basics. Let me know in the comments, what tool do you use the most? I'll see you in the next video.